In this video, we shall start with a new chapter from a reproduction unit, from the unit known as reproduction. The name of the chapter is Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plant. Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plant. So, as we know, the reproduction in plant, it occurs in a flower. So, we shall now study first the internal structure of a flower. Flower is a modified stem and it has four whorls. So keep in mind, flower is a modified stem. Now we shall study about the internal structure of a flower. Internal structure of a flower. So as we know, the flower, it is a modified stem. So it has four whorls. The flower has four whorls. It exists from a thalamus. It exists from a thalamus. This is a thalamus. The first whorl is, so now the first whorl is a is so we shall study the four whorls of a flower. The first whorl is the sepals. This is a sepals. And this is a sepals. And 2-3 sepals is known as a calyx. So the next, this is the first word. The next is the this is the petals. The second whorls of the flower is the petals. 2-3 petals, more than one petals is known as the corolla. It's known as the corolla. This is the second whorl of a flower. So the third whorl of a flower is a stamens. The stamens so the stamen, it consists of the upper part of a stamen is known as the anther, and then the long stalk which connects the stamen and the down part is known as the filament. More than one stamen is known as androecium. androecium. This is the third whorl of a flower. The fourth whorl of a flower is a pistil. This is a pistil. The pistil. This pistil, The upper part of a pistil is known as a stigma. And then the stalk, which is in the middle, is known as a style. And the down part, which is a bit wider, is known as the ovary. And then this is the female reproductive plant of a flower, which is known as the gynoecium. And the male reproductive of a flower is known as the androecium. So therefore, flower, it is a modified stem. It consists of 4 whorls. That is the calyx, the corolla, and then the androecium, and the gynoecium. That concludes the internal structure of a flower. So in the next video, we shall study about the internal structure of a gynoecium, or the internal structure of a stamens.